Here we come. We're going on a Disney cruise.
Disneyland said, please welcome on board Mom's on Vacation.
What have we walked in on? Oh! Wait a minute. We have our beautiful veranda. Oh my goodness. This is incredible. So many choices.
This one.
Yeah, that's the winner. Yeah. Great, thank you. The party is starting. It's champagne time. All the food. I'm really excited. It's New Orleans style, baby. New Orleans style.
We got some chicken wings on the stove and a seafood pepper pot and of course some of my favorites, buttermilk beignets.
Oh, a lot of beignets. It's pirate night!
Raise the sails.
Raise the sails, and we're going all hands on deck. Bam! Bam! Got a nice cheese tray. Bam! So, yeah, we're ready to have some fun. It's gonna be good. We have fireworks tonight. We have some shows to go
You might
to.
fly.
Yeah, you never
The
know.
wind conditions are alright.
We are about to get interviewed on the red carpet of the Golden Mickeys.
I'm here outside of the Walt Disney Theater, and it is getting hot in the house. Come here.
This is the red carpet event of the year. This is pretty cool.
Pirates in the Caribbean. Pirates in the... Can you tell we're not in the Caribbean? We're not in the Caribbean.
Drop it.
Wake up, San Francisco! We have arrived in the beautiful port of San Francisco. We saw the bridge. We saw some whales. We saw a lot of things. It's only 8 in the morning.
We saw everything cool.
We saw everything cool is right. Of course, the first stop of the day is Ghirardelli Square. This is my new bathtub. Get one installed pretty soon.
Which became in 1980 his first establishment in the city. That must be what this one is.
History
Oh,
of
a
Ghirardelli.
fire on May 3rd, 1851 destroyed Ghirardelli's San Francisco business.
Oh my
And a
gosh.
few days later, his stocking store also burned down.
That's why they call it
Used his
hot
remaining
chocolate.
assets.
We've come to the conclusion, if you walk backwards, it's easier. We made it to the top and it's worth the view. We just got a run of In-N-Outs. Chris, are you excited for your first In-N-Out?
Yes.
It's gonna be good. It's like the size of, it's really big. Look at that. That's a lot of cable. Come here, little baby. Hi. Oh, you're my friend. Go see Nicole now. Day update. All right, we had a really good day today. We went to Lombard Street. Bought this dress. Walked a lot of hills. Did the backwards walk. Sunburn chocolate factory. Yeah, I got some sunburn. Got a solid sun. One of those. Got a solid one of those. Yeah. It was a successful day. Some shopping. Golden Gate. We're gonna meet Mickey Mouse now though, so obviously the highlight. Right. We are gonna go play in San Francisco. And it's gonna be fun.
Freedom!
Freedom! We're out on the town.
Yeah,
ready to
giving it away.
Ready to dine. Wine and dine a little bit. Oh. We're at Aquilina for dinner tonight. Look at this spread. It looks. What are your thoughts, bud? Glenn, welcome to the vlog. Cheers. There's some good stuff. Looks really good. Oh, look at that dough. I am in love. This is really good. Alright, let's give it the good old bite test. Let's see how this really racks up to the taste buds. Oh my god. That's not even possible. Not even possible. Cheers to the baked bear. That we were sailing in Alaska. Oh. Thank goodness we're sporting these windbreakers though, am I right? Good evening. Tonight is Frozen, a musical spectacular. So we're just getting all geared up for that. We're going to watch Freezing the Night Away. It is actually freezing, but we have our blankies and we're cozy. How you guys feeling? Yeah. We are snuggled up. We are ready. This is the penguin huddle. It works
This is such a flattering angle.
I know.
That looks so pretty.
It's working. Elsa's powers. Yeah. We're dining in animators and the show's about to start.
One more time. One in my pocket.
Two.
One in my hat, one in my pocket. How many here?
None. We are heading to mixology.
Let's wait. We're gonna do this in choreography, ladies. Okay. You can go. There you go.
It's all in the race.
Doing good. I like great bartenders.
I don't have the wrist.
Okay. All right. It's all right. All right, girls. What do you think so far? I think they love it. We're in Vancouver. We got this gang all here. I found some. Oh, it's gonna plug out at you. Don't you know that's not polite? We are going to Granville Island right now. I bought a button.
B for button.
Give me one of those.
Or mascarpone and cranberry.
It's a dangerous place to be when you're hungry and in a market building. Okay, crisis averted. Found a place that does samples. And they're pickles! Yum! Yeah! Options are endless.
Pickles.
Yes, no, we have no bananas today.